When the moon is in the 7th house and Jupiter aligns with Mars, just like it did. Here, space weather, it'll tell you. This is a great week to wake up early and look at the planets. They're all lined up. Saturn, Mars, Venus, Jupiter. When the moon is in the 7th house and Jupiter aligns with Mars. See that? Now let's listen to my favorite part of the song. Then peace will guide the planets, and love, not Saturn, not hate, not fear, not death, will steer the stars. That's how they should have wrote it, but I understand where I get it. I'm not gonna criticize. So I'm choosing love because it seems like the safest choice, and it's also what I've felt my whole life. And what's neato is if you watch the 1997 Hercules, the Disney movie, check it out.
Yes, precisely. The planets will align.
Yep, you see? And we're about like right here because this alignment has begun. But did you know that in 2 months it's going to look like that? Yep, sure is. It's called the Parade of Planets. And it's going to happen in June, where they are all going to be visible to the naked eye. And this is going to happen this year, 2040, and not again until 2854. So they're all going to line up June 24th, which means June 23rd somewhere in the world, that lovely 9/23 date that I love so much. And so in 2 months, it's going to look like this.
When the moon is in the 7th house and Jupiter aligns with Mars, then peace will guide the planets and love will steer the stars. This is the dawning of the age of Aquarius, the age of Aquarius.
Harmony and understanding, sympathy and trust abounding. No more falsehoods or derisions, golden living dreams of visions,
Mystic crystal revelations, and the mind's true